Hi friends, today we're going to be making a gingerbread DIY. They're little gingerbread marshmallows. They come out adorable. I'm going to start by using this air lightweight clay. I purchased it at Walmart for around $6. I purchased it last year, so I've had it for a while. I'm going to start by weighing my clay. It's going to weigh 0.5 ounces. I'm going to be making 4 big marshmallows, and then with the leftover clay, I'm going to make 2 smaller ones at 0.3 ounces. Next, I'm going to separate the clay. I noticed that if you skip this step, your circle doesn't come out as nice. So I do recommend you stretch it out. And then I'm going to be shaping it into a ball. Once I have my ball, I'm going to be shaping it back and forth just to give it that marshmallow effect. And then on the top and the bottom, I'm going to be flattening it a little bit. And I think it comes out really nice. So the 0.5 ounce marshmallow, I think, is the best size for these gingerbread men that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. To frost the top of my marshmallow, I'm going to be using this latex caulk. I purchased it at Home Depot. It's about $3.50. I'm just going to pour some of this out on the cup, and then I'm going to mix it with some red paint. And the smaller marshmallows that I made, I'm going to be painting those green. So I'm going to be mixing that with some green paint. Now that I have it all mixed together, I'm going to start by putting it on top of the marshmallow little by little, and I'm going to be shaping it just like if it was frosting. I kind of want it to be coming down on the side. Next, I'm going to be making some sprinkles. I purchased this extruder off of Amazon. It came with a lot of little tools as well. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down below for you. But I'm just going to be putting the clay inside of it, and then I'm going to be twisting it so I can make the sprinkles. And you do have to bake it for 15 minutes. Now I'm just going to be cutting up the sprinkles so I can put them on top of the little marshmallows. And once I have them all on top, I'm just going to add some glitter on them. So for my smaller marshmallows, I decided to paint them in green. I did the same thing. I mixed the paint with the caulk, and then I am just going to be adding it on top of my little marshmallow. Then I'm going to be taking a paper straw and pushing it straight down the middle. This is what's going to hold the little gingerbread and also the bow. I'm going to start with these 2 little gingerbread that I purchased at Hobby Lobby and this crafter's clay. I'm just going to start by making the little bow tie and the little buttons for the boy gingerbread. And I'm also going to be making a little dress for the girl gingerbread. Once I had all of the little pieces for my gingerbread boy, I did end up baking them. Right now they're just sitting on top, but I did put them in the oven for 15 minutes. So next I'm going to be making a little clay dress for my little gingerbread girl so she can match the gingerbread boy. I want to tell you guys what happened to me with the clay that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I did not notice that some of the clay said the baking time is 15 minutes and some of the other packages said 30 minutes. So when I put them in the oven, I noticed that, and so I left the ones that said 30 minutes in for longer, and I took out the 15-minute ones at the 15-minute mark. And you guys, it was smoking here in my house. I had to take them out because there was a whole bunch of smoke. So I would just recommend, if you get the 30-minute one, to just bake it for 15 minutes just to be safe, because there was a lot of smoke here in my house for following the instructions on the 30-minute mark. I wasn't too sure how I wanted to decorate the girl's dress. I had purchased this ribbon at Michael's. It's just a little peppermint. I think they're super cute. So I decided to cut them out and just put them on the bottom. I put 3 of them on the bottom, but I didn't like how it looked. So I ended up making a clay peppermint border for the dress. On to the fun part of decorating the marshmallow. I let the frosting dry for about 30 to 45 minutes before decorating and putting on the gingerbread boy and girl. I have a small collection of straws that I buy during the different seasons, so I was just trying to figure out which one I wanted to use here. I want to show you guys how I made my little bows. I measured my ribbon at 17 inches, and you guys, I do not know how to make bows, so I'm going to show you guys how I made it. I know if you guys know how to make bows, I'm probably doing it all wrong because it took me forever just to make this little bow. But I'm going to attempt it anyways, and they came out so cute, you guys. So give it a try if you guys are not good at making bows like me. Next, I'm going to be decorating the mini marshmallows with these wooden gingerbread that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. They are really small, you guys, so they're the perfect size for the smaller marshmallow. And they're a pack of boy gingerbread. I wish there was a little girl gingerbread so I can have the little pair, but they're super cute anyways, and they look adorable. I'm going to be adding a little candy cane that I made with the clay, and I think it gives it like a little bit more of a personalized touch. I think they look so cute. For the last set of marshmallows, I am going to be using this wrapping paper that I purchased at Walmart. I'm going to be cutting out one of the boy and one of the girl gingerbread from the wrapping paper, and I'm going to be putting it on the back of one of the little felt ones that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, just because those are kind of like stickers. So I'm going to be putting this little gingerbread on the back of the other one. You guys will see what I mean right now, just so it can be a little bit more sturdy. Here's my two little gingerbread. I think they look cute, you guys. I know the back is ugly, but you could, if you really wanted to, cut another little gingerbread from the wrapping paper and put it on the back, and you wouldn't even be able to see it. So if that bothers you guys, I would suggest cutting out another set and gluing it to the back. For these gingerbread, I decided to double up on the ribbon because I wanted it to look like really nice and big and fancy. So that's what I did with this one. I think they all came out so cute, you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. I can't even decide which one is my favorite. I really like all of them. I think they're all so, so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, and if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you guys would subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, besties.